Hayi nathula, hayi lokhu ningehlulile-ke abafana abadala ningehlule. Omaskandi. Hey bathula omaskandi madoda bathula. Bathula omaskandi ungathi akaze bezwe lutho, ungathi abekho ngisho lapha eSouth Africa mhlambe bavakashele phesheya. Omaskandi bathule. Hawu, yabona nje ekaKhuzani noMthandeni angifuni nokuyikhuluma-ke yabo, kungcono nje ngivele ngithule ngabo. Kodwa nje nina abanye nithule, yazi kuthule ngisho obhuti abadala, obaba abadala engangibethemba mina ngangazi ukuthi mangabe kunento enyakaza eSouth Africa babagxuma behlale. Osomnandi wesabeka bathule. Oshwini uMtekala bathule. O-Ali umfo kaMgobe bathule tu. Ogadla umfo kaNxumalo bathule. Ingane zomazi thule, imithente obuselaphi. Hawu nathula. Uyazi nathula manje ngathi ingane iganga uvaselini. Bathule abaculi kwaze kwazothula ngisho ibandla leli osaliwa. Kwathula omzukulu oshumule insizwa ama-NND nakuthula bafethu nithuleleni limit. Nithuleleni into encane. Nithulela ukuthi kugcine sekunjani. Bathuleleni abaculi. Onjabulo lami. Hawu. Kuzothula ngisho lezi intwana ezincane ezifikayo. Laba abafana labo. Ofeza. Hayi ngeke. Yabona-ke noma ngabe kuthiwa nami ke nezwa ukuthi kuthiwa kuyathulwa. Kodwa akuthulwa-ke makunje. Isimo masinje awuthuli. Uma ngabe unayo ivoice yokusho something. Hayi kahleni bafethu ngeke. Hawu. Yazi kuthuleke kuze kuzothula ngisho abantu besicathamiya uyibona abantu esibaziyo ukuthi bajwayele ukuresponda kuqala. Ungangitshela nje ukuthi Mavula bathuleleni. Kholenza abafana benkokhelo nithuleleni. Bergville Green Lovers. Inkululeko. Pomoroy Golden Stars. Isikhalo seAfrika. Nongoma khethu ukuthula. Hawu bafethu. Hawu ningehlulile-ke kulokhu. Nithule nithule lokhu kwangempela. Animisele ngakusho lutho futhi mangibheka mina ngendlela engibheka ngayo. Nithule. Why kufanele nithule? Abaculi bamaskandi bawese yabona kule minyakanyana nje imibalo edlule bebebalisa lapha umculo wethu uthengiswa phandle ngama-R5 sicela niselekeleleni njani nakhu-ke manje sekufanele ngabe baya voice out ukuthi ekuse hayi lutho bathule ungathi abekho. Hawu ningehlulile ningaze nithule kanje. Umafikiso lo nginethembile Mroza Fakude. Hawu kahleni bafethu ngeke ayifani nani lento eniyenzayo. Hawu.
South African church is so quiet, and the way it is so quiet is very alarming. Why is the church so quiet in a critical season like this? Why is the church so quiet in a season where it is needed like this? The church is so quiet and we need it. We need the church to stand up. If we think that this battle that we're fighting, it only needs about Jacinta and Dudula March, then we are playing. These people we are dealing with are also ritualists. We watch their movies. We have seen them killing our sisters in our country. We have seen them killing our sisters for rituals. We have seen them killing our children for rituals. We have seen them killing our brothers for rituals. We have seen them killing our families for rituals. And their altars, they came with them when they came here. They established their altars in our country. And now that they have to go, it is going to be a battle, not only a physical battle, but also a spiritual battle. And that needs the church to stand too. We didn't get the freedom only by activities back in the days. There was a spiritual backup. There were pastors who stood behind ANC. When ANC was formed, there was a church involved. ANC was formed in a church. There were men and women of God who stood behind ANC and went on their knees while the politicians were fighting on the street. The pastors went on their knees and they interceded for our freedom. We need the church to stand up. We need the church to unite and stand behind those who are on the street. We need the church to stand behind those who are on the street. We need the church to go on their knees and intercede for those who are on the street fighting for our country. The church cannot keep quiet in a season like this. We cannot keep quiet in a season like this. We need to stand. This is our country. And we need to speak one language, and that language is that South Africa must be saved. And if the church keep quiet in the season like this, there's so much blood that will be shed in this country because we are fighting altars of ritualists. The March and March is not only taking out undocumented foreigners, they are also uprooting altars of ritualists, and that needs spiritual backup. Because when these people leave, they will also need to uproot their altars, and that needs spiritual backup. And if there's no spiritual backup, then that means there will be so much blood shed in our country, and we do not want that. The church needs to stand. Intercessors need to stand. We need to stand and speak one language, and that language is that South Africa must be saved. That language is one, South Africa must be saved. The church needs to intercede. Let Abo Jacinta do the work. They're doing a beautiful job, and that job needs a backup in all forms. You know where you can stand on the gap. You know where you can stand on the gap, and the church must stand too. The church needs to unite. The church needs to speak. The church needs to stand for our country. For once, let the church speak. The church is also suffering this because we also have undocumented pastors who are doing all sorts of things in the name of the church, corrupting our children, corrupting the country, corrupting the church. The church cannot be quiet. We cannot be quiet. Intercessors cannot be quiet. Intercessors cannot be quiet. The church cannot be quiet. We need to stand on the gap. We need to stand on the gap. Yes, not all of us can be on the street, but stand on the gap. Stand on the gap. Even if you cannot be on the street, stand on the gap. Let intercessors arise. Let intercessors intercede for this country. Let intercessors go on their knees and intercede for this country. Oh, we need intercessors to stand. Oh, we need intercessors to rise. Otherwise, so much blood will be shed on these streets. So much blood will be shed on the streets of South Africa. Asifuni gazi lichithekayo kwezi zitrato. The altars must be uprooted. Yes. But let the blood of our people not be shed on the street. And that needs intercessors. That needs the church to stand. Otherwise, it's going to be very bad if the church is not standing. We need spiritual backup. The country needs spiritual backup. The country needs intercessors. The country needs people. This is all our fight. We are fighting for our children. We are fighting for the generations that will come after us. We are fighting for the generations that will come. 10 years after us, 100 years after us. We cannot pass a country without order. We cannot pass a country that is ungoverned. We cannot pass a country that has no control. The language is one. South Africa must be saved. And for that to happen, we need to stand. Let activities stand and let the church stand. South Africa must be saved. It is very clear that we are not led. It is very clear that we have no government. And because we have no government, that means we need to stand as the people. And the church is the people. And it needs to stand. The church must stand. It is very quiet, and we cannot be quiet as a church in this season. The season is very critical. The season is very critical.
Sengithe ngithi ku Facebook ngibona uphakela umthakathi uhlele inkonzo yokukhulekela abantwana bethu laba badla ama-drugs. Uhlela umthandazo eKing Dinizulu, uphakela umthakathi. Uyigosa lempi, uhola impi noNgizwe Mchunu noJacinta. Kumanje impilo yakhe isengcupheni, umndeni wakhe akasawazi. Ulwela isizwe sethu, thina sihleze ema-office. Siyaqhubeka nempilo. Impilo zethu azekho engcupheni. Uphinde uzohlela umthandazo. Ikhona into enjalo kodwa guys, noma i-AI. Uphakela umthakathi uyigosa, uphinde uhlela umthandazo kodwa sinabefundisi bagcwele izwe lonke. Hayi namhlanje ngizoba yisitha. Seningamaningi unfriend bafethu. Bathi iqiniso kumele silikhulume. Abefundisi bathule du abefundisi. Asibaboni bephithiza. Bekhuluma nje o making o life, bathule du abefundisi. Okusho ukuthi ku right nje abefundisi mabeqoqa imali Sunday. Noma bemisa ama movement. Noma makbenefita bona. Because izozihlelo uphakela umthakathi inkonzo yokukhulekela izingane bapha befundisi. Because i-department ne-department njengamanje iyasebenza. I-department yaka security amaphoyisa ahleze egcwele umgwaqo njengoba kune march nje kubhizi kuphithizela. Ngineshoka Department of Health njengoba kuphume umhla ka-30 June kuqaliwe manje emakliniki kuyastokwa istock namanesi yonke into wonke umuntu ume ngomumo ukuthi should anything happen sibe ready. Kuyaqalwa manje kuyaqashwa ngoba kuyazi ukuthi anything can happen. I-department ne-department ilungele insizwa ziyaphuma. Kumele baphinde futhi bethi bama warriors belwa baphinde futhi bazohlela imthandazo kodwa sinabefundisi abathandaza baze bakhale la online babhubhuze ngeilimi la online. Abefundisi okugitshelwa intaba kuyothandazwa. Abefundisi abahlezi begqoke ena imjiva nokhololo. Abefundisi abahlezi kugenqeka ihlalo bahlela umthandazo for abantwana bethu. Nikhona bafana bakithi. Yimuphi kanti umsebenzi kamfundisi? Kuzoze kuhlela uphakela umthakathi umkhuleko nikhona. Hayi ngizondeni. Kade mina isitha vele sanginyanya. Ishoni ke ukuthi ngibhitha ke nginenkinga ke nabefundisi. Ishoni ngithukeni. What is your job kanti? As long as benefita nina manqoqa 10 nje naqoqa imali nina nje mangabe nidla imali nje amakholwa makbenefita nina ku happy nemndeni yenu it's okay. Yini umsebenzi wenu kwi socials nithule, especially abefundisi abanegama, abefundisi abane following, abefundisi abane nithuli anisho lutho. Kukhuluma abefundisi mina ngisabone nje very few mhlambe if not one anisho lutho about impi kodwa kulelwa abantwana benu. Abanye abantwana benu abakuma drugs because abantwana babefundisi ibona badawa okuhlula izingane zonke. Abantwana babefundisi ibona bane depression okudlula bonke. Abantwana babefundisi ibona badla ama drugs ibona ba affecteke ngaphe kodwa nina nithule kuhlela imthandazo nikhona ezabefundisi. Kanti yini umsebenzi wenu? Because wonke ama department ayanyakaza manje. Department of Health unyakazile, Department of Security unyakazile, waka Home Affairs uyanyakaziswa. Nithule nithini kanti nina ezabefundisi? Uphakela umthakathi kumele ukuthi manje ahlele umkhuleko nikhona bafowethu. Ngoba nanke ngekho umuntu onesibindi sokuthi anitshele ukuthi lento eniyenzani nihlezi nje deka. Manethezekile nje nina Sunday naqoqa imali ku right. Ku-right nje nina mangabe benefita nina niqoqa imali nje nina manihle kahle nje nigijime nezimoto nibe right ku Sunday nihufuze imali bafazi beni babe right wonke umuntu anyakaze alwele nina. Hayi guys anikofe uphakela umthakathi uzoyeka impi lapha ya ayokhuleka nikhona ezabefundisi. Hayi department yabefundisi kanti yenzani guys? Yini umsebenzi kanti kamfundisi? Akekho umfundisi obesenga obenza le report ikhulekelwe inga noma as long as ezenu zi right. As long as ezenu ingane befundisi zi right. Hayi guys, hayi ngithukeni ke kulungileke. Nisho ukuthi ngibhitha ke I need to heal, it's fine ngithukeni.
Ngithi mina ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi ukuthi lama event lawa ahlezi ehost elaba baculi laba bayibona ngathi ukuthi bangcono kunathi. Ngicabanga sekuyisikhathi ukuthi siwa boycott manje. ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi because at this time siyabadinga and ekubadingeni kwethu nabo bayasidinga ekuthenini impilo yabo iqhubeke. If nje uzobhekisisa kulama celebrity esinawo la eSouth Africa, ngizolinganisa nje KZN iyodwa, bambalwa abakwazi ukubhukhwa ngisho ngaphandle, bambalwa kancane nje ukuthi ungezwa kuthiwa uDJ Tira useZimbabwe noma uko Nigeria, mhlawumbe uyala eSwazini. Vele ke abantu bakoSwazini angicabanga ukuthi abantu esibabalayo njengabantu esithi abahambe sisho kubantu baseSwazini because kukancane ukuthi kube khona ubugebengu obustrong ababenzayo. Kufana nabantu baseMozambique kancane ukuthi babe nobugebengu obustrong ababenzayo. Kodwa ke angisho lutho ngalokho, but into yami engifisa ile ukuthi ngicabanga sekuyisikhathi ukuthi siwaboycott lama event abo singayi. Nizokhumbula ngeCovid isikhashana lesincane bahlupheka baze bayoteleka lapha ku-N3 ngeCovid nje, esincane isikhathi lesi. So impilo yabo ngicabanga ukuthi idepende kuthina, thina laba esingasebenzi, thina laba esikhalela ukuthi izwe lethu lilengele weni kodwa bona bayibone ngazi ukuthi bangcono kunathi. Hayi ngicabanga sekuyisikhathi bafowethu sokuthi nje siwaboycott lama event abo, bababhukhe laba babhukha khona singayi. Vele bomnandi sibusetshwaleni mawukuthi uthanda utshwala, sinemoto nivulela iredo, nipakele epaki, nidansele, nibizela intombi manifuna intombi, zikhona ingaza zemares nihlalele bafowethu. Angisho ukuthi ngithini, kodwa ke nje bafowethu ngicabanga ukuthi sekuyisikhathi bafowethu ukuthi nje laba sibatshengise isifundo, ngoba engazi ukuthi bayibona ngathi banuka kangcono kunoShiboshi, kanti impilo yabo idepende kuthina ama-citizens lawa angasebenzi.
Umuntu othi ngithela inhlabathi ePhalishini labaculi, umphathi vele, u-own record label, umphathi, umuntu omkhulu. Soke sengiqalile nge-receive ama-threats. Kusho ukuthini ukuthi lo mhlabathi othele ePhalishini lamaciko uzowumela yini? Ngeke ngize ngiwumele, ngibulaleni. Ngibulaleni. If I have to die for the truth, so be it. If I have to die for South Africa, so be it. So be it. Vele mina ingoma zami niyivalele yonke indawo. I'm back. Yeah, angeke ngize ngithule. Sengivuka nama message ke kusa nje kuseni ku WhatsApp. Mangabe wazi ukuthi uWhatsApp usendelwa abantu abaclose kuwena. Ngithola imessage ukuthi inhlabathi oyifaka ekudleni kwamaciko uzoyimela yini. Ngenza ivideo izolo asking, requesting South African musicians ukuthi ake nime ngefame, ake nime ngodumo. ISouth Africa idinga wonke umuntu, lonke uhlobo lomuntu njengamanje to stand up. Enough is enough. Sithi enough is enough. Sikhathele asisukume silwele izwe lethu. Ifame useless if ever siphila eSouth Africa engcolile neSouth Africa ebolile kanje. Asibekene ama politicians aside. Sizilwele thina, sizele sinezingane. Mangabe ngikhuluma la ku social media, ngaye nithi ukhulilo uyahlanya. Meanwhile nina nihlalela amahlazo kanje, nithule nithe du. Hayi bafethu uma ukuthi ngifaka inhlabathi esinkweni, ePhalishini lamaciko, ePhalishini lama content creators, ePhalishini lama celebrity wonkana, ePhalishini lama influencers. Where are the influencers that are always seeking your support? Where are the musicians, celebrities, big South African celebrities? Mina I'm nothing. Angilutho mina. Vele niyazi ukuthi nizongivalela ngokwenza lama video. I don't care as long as ngilwela iSouth Africa. Emgwaqweni wonke umuntu sithi enough is enough. Sifuna iSouth Africa yethu enokuthula, esazalelwa kuyona, ekwalolu freedom. Akulelwa ngefreedom ukuthi kube ngena phuma dayisa ama drugs etshontsha, ungatholakali, ungatrace wadlwengula, bulala. Usuke ezweni lakho uzobulala, and then the next thing ngizositshela ukuthi Mandela spent 100 years ejele. Uspendela ukuthini? Waboshela ukuthini? Ukuthi nina nibe ne-freedom yokuzokwenza South Africa i-bank, to make South Africa a bank. Each and every influencer, stand up. We are sick and tired. When you want these people that are suffering, these people that doesn't have shit, that are trying, when you want their support, you stand up. Niyakhankasa nicola amarobhothi nemigwaqo. Nihlulwa yini njengamanje ukukhankasa? Stand up. Mina noma ningangizonda vele mina ningifuni. Iqiniso nina nilifuni. Mina ungibheke kahle, ayikho into engahluzile mina la kumina ekhanda. Ngambiza ngalo lonke uhlobo lwegama, ungithuke ngayo yonke inhlambi. kulungile bafowethu vele ngiyazi ukuthi lo muntu othi ngithela inhlabathi ephalisini labaculi umphathi vele u-own record label umphathi umuntu omkhulu. So be it. Vele mina ingoma zami niyivalele yonke indawo. Niyivalele mina ingoma zami yonke indawo. And it shall be makuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngokungithusela kwenu, makuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ngokungithuka kwenu ngizolala ngingadlile, angeke ngilale ngingadlile. Angeke ngilale, angikholwa ukuthi khona la, angikholwa ukuthi khona la ojabulela ukuthi nina nama celebrity, mpumpulu, ma celebrity ukunuka. Yeah, ma celebrity ukunuka. Ngangikholwa ukuthi ukhona umuntu obudgetayo ukuthi yabona ke lena ke eyoko support uQueen Loni, lena yokuthenga ithikithi le event ka Queen Loni, lele no. Akekho but mangabe senibafuna nibakhuthuza legally, nibancenga nibacela, anibancengeke manje nilapha estradini nilwela izwe leni, nilwela South Africa. Sikhathele awusikhathele bafethu. Mina mawukuthi awukhathele wena ufofobele lapho nefridge empty uloku ujabulela ifame ukuthi mina I'm a star, I can't be seen ngimasha. Bazothini? Abantu bazothini? Mara mangabe usukulidinga usizo lwabo labantu. Hey kuningi ngizondeni manifuna vele niyangizonda. Ngizondeni manifuna as long as ngilwela iqiniso. Akunanhlabathi mina ngithele ephalisini lomuntu. Akunanhlabathi engithele ephalisini lomculi or la any celebrity. Akunanhlabathi. Mangabe ngisuke ngikhuluma nisuke nithi ngiyahlangana. Namhlanje ngikhuluma into eqondene nani ebhekene nani. Vele into engisuke ngikhuluma mina yinto esuke eqondene nani ebhekene nani. So ke lama threats la wena wasendayo ngenza kancane. Manifuna i-address yami mina ningitshele. Mina ningitshele mina. Manifuna yami i-address. Ngiyaphuma njengamanje ngisabheka esontweni, ngisayokhuleka. Ngisabheka ngentabeni njengamanje. Ngentabeni njengamanje ngiyokhuleka. Mangabe nisuke nifuna isupport yalabantu laba abahlupheka ngoba niyahlupheka ndana ngazi ukuthi nizenza icwicwicu nje icwicwicu zokunuka yini. Njengoba nizenza icwicwicu nje nizenza ama celebrity okunuka yini. Izwe lenu libe libhubha izwe lenu. Ama celebrity fame yokunuka yini. Ifame yokwenzani yona le? Ifame ebisanda kwenzani? Izwe libe libhubha linje. Ake sukumani ngokodwa bumbana. Useless ke kusho ukuthi igeneration ezoba khona le. The next generation, it will be owned by outsiders. South Africa yonke izobe ownwa abantu bangaphandle. Hayi ngeke bafana. Khohlwa. Obaba mkhulu baphenduka ka100 ethuneni. Baphenduka kaningi. Abazali bethu, oma bethu, obaba bethu baphenduka ka100 ethuneni. Nikhamsile nina nywenywe mangabe beqhamuka nywenywe isithombe. Mina ngifuni umuntu ozoshutha isithombe nami. Angifuni umuntu ozoshutha isithombe nami. Ngoba lento ye fame no celebrity labantu bagqokiswa yinina lesi status esingasi. Bagqokiswa yinina le crown le ekhanda engasi. How many followers ama South African celebrities and influencers have? Angaba good and positive impact kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo to spread ukuthi enough is enough. Silwela izwe lethu man. Awuma kumele ngishishilize ngengona ophathi mina ngizoshishiliza. Mangimele ngihambe ngekhanda phansi ayikho phela vele lento. Mawuthi uyabheka ayikho lento. Ngiyafana nje nama politicians no government niyayifanela. So ke sikhala vele silambile noma ngingalamba. Ngikhala vele ngilambile. Mawukuthi kufanele ngilambe for ukuthi sibe nokuthula sibe nezwe lisile. So be it. Mawukuthi ngizoqashwa, ngizothreatenishwa. Nanga umuntu omkhulu engithusela. Nayi indoda enkulu engithusela. Angazi ngimention igama lamuntu. Kodwa mawukuthi kumele ngifele lokho engikushoyo. So be it bafethu. Please share, spread this video. Ayihambe ifike kwamanye futhi amadoda amakhulu athuselayo angalifuni iqiniso athemba ukuthi wona anamandla, anezibhamu, anepower, angasivalela yonke indawo, asivalele kuma radio, asivalele nakuma bookings, kuma events. Kulungile. We are fixing the country yethu. Can we fix the country yethu with peace? They must go. Sifuna ukulungisa izwe lethu in peace. Sikhathele.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. Now abantu basend a message to Beculu and pastors ukuthi why are they quiet about this issue of illegal immigrants in South Africa? Why are they quiet, my celebrities? Because they are always begging and asking for your support. Yebantu ukuthi basupport ama events abo, basupport abavotele including content creators. Why are they quiet? Mase kufanele kulungisa South Africa ngalendlela bonke bathulile. They are saying ukuthi no one is saying a thing. Bathule bonke. The only singer lesimbonile or musician lesimbonile akhuluma it's Oscar Mbo abhalile lapha ku Facebook. He's the only one. The rest they are quiet. Uyasho nje now Queen Lulu ukuthi They need to stand up and fight. This is an issue ya wonke umuntu abayekele ifame ukubhizi balandzela kuba ama-celebrity. They must fight ekulungiseni South Africa because it's a mess right now. And siyabona laba bantu bayazama, they are fighting, but bona they are quiet. Pastors are quiet, musicians are quiet. Bathuleleni bona bangasidi kule ndzaba. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.